welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're doing a cleanup, if that's the right word. If you're like me, you know, I've got everything everywhere in the barn. I can't catch up. I start this project, start that project. I'm kind of tired of putting some stuff down on the floor, etc. So first step is, you know, I got the stihl backpack blower, and I'm tired of kind of keep putting it down on the floor, etc. So I got this bracket. I got it on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description for you guys. Not sure how good it is. We'll give it a shot. 2 brackets and a hook. Bracket will go up on the wall. The other hook will go up to hold the hose. I know that this bracket is going to be too big for the 2x4, so I set up a 2x4 so I can have the additional, so when I screw it up I got extra stuff to screw to. I already marked it off where I want it, so I'm just going to go through the motions of drilling this, screwing this in. Okay. They do give you some screws. Alright guys, that ain't going anywhere. Alright, now I'm just going to take the backpack and let's get it situated so I know where to put the other bracket. Alright guys, so let's check this out. Let's see how this looks here. So it hangs on there, and this just kind of hooks in there to hold it. So I mean, that's one step. I know there's stuff in the way, guys. My barn is full. If anybody knows what those parts and pieces are, yes, I am working on that. But just trying to make some more room. Now we got room up here, and we got room over here. We're gonna be hanging some other stuff too. So I don't know if you could see that, but I'll put a link in the description. These are they're brackets that are supposed to mount up to, and you hang the saw. I know there's a lot of talk, you know, if you hang the saw, the bar oil leaks. I mean, I leave my saws in normal position and it leaks. A good thing to do is to always take when you're done, open the cap up, let the pressure off so that it doesn't drain out. I know that's something that's always on a guy that's using a chainsaw. It's always on your mind. You're leaking bar oil, etc. So I want to give these a shot. I think these were like 20 bucks. I want to give it a shot and see if it works. It comes in a 2-pack. It comes with screws, etc. Looks like it even comes with more of these pads, so that when you hang your saw, if it rips or ruins, you got more pads. Gonna give it a shot because I'm gonna hang the 661 and the 180. Comes with the stuff if you're putting it in drywall. I'm just gonna put it straight into the stud. Again, I'm gonna use my check out my website, hardworkfeelsgood.com. It's got all the merchandise, hats, water bottles, etc. This sweatshirt, I love it. It's like my new pouch. I put everything in there. Makes life easier for me. So I'm gonna put it up something like this. guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it'll hold the 661. And real quickly, I'm just gonna pop the top on the oil real quick, just to make sure that there's no pressure in there. Okay, here it comes. Supposedly it's supposed to just hook onto the handle. I'm a little skeptical for a piece of plastic to hold the weight of the 661 with a 36-inch bar. So here we go. Well, it's holding. Let's see. More to come on that, guys. I'll give you more feedback by the time I post the video. I'll give you some feedback on it, on how it's working out. But I got a second one in the kit, and I want to put up the 180 up here as well. All right, guys. So real quickly, I'm back with the 180, and just want to pop the oil super quick, just to get some air in there so it doesn't leak. And pretty much it's going to hang just like this. All right, let's get the other bracket up and see how we make out. Okay, let's see how we make out. This is definitely a lighter saw. I'm still a little bit worried about the other one, but doesn't look too bad. It's definitely gonna make life easier for me. I just got a couple saws off the rack. Now I got to take some car parts, put them on the rack. I got more area given back to me. I'll definitely comment back to you guys on this with the 661. I'm definitely nervous. I was just taking some time looking at this. It actually is pretty sturdy. Definitely more to come on this. I'm still skeptical. For a $20 bracket to hold a $1,800 saw makes me nervous, but more to come on that. I got my the little saws all set up and the backpack blower. Obviously, once I clean all the car parts up and I get rid of stuff, I'm gonna hang up some more on the walls. Weed whacker head with the edger and the brush saw attachment. All that stuff's gonna get hung up. So more to come on that. Don't forget, this is a quick and easy project. Give me a ton of room back in the barn. There's nothing wrong with trying stuff on your own. Most important, hard work feels good. All right, guys. Until next time, see ya.